Hello, I am Dr. Girish Nelivigi, urologist and andrologist at Nelivigi Multispeciality and Urology Hospital in Bellandur, Bangalore. I welcome you all to our video channel Urology for Everyone. Today, I will be talking on a topic which is one of the most common topics that a urologist encounters in his practice: urinary tract infections in females. In this talk, I will be covering the causes of urinary tract infection in the female, the symptoms, and how to diagnose. Subsequently, I will be talking on the treatment in my another video. Urinary tract infections are of two types in a woman. A sporadic infection is the one where urinary tract infection comes once in a while and it may or may not come back again. However, many women experience recurrent urinary tract infection where the urinary infection comes back repeatedly. Now, what are the causes of urinary tract infection in a female? Most of the time, it is the gender itself which is the cause because of the short urethra. So, you can say that most of the urine infections most of the time are unavoidable. However, there are certain precipitating factors which may give rise to urinary infection in a female. For example, lack of sleep, lack of rest, any stress or strain or even dehydration can cause or precipitate urinary infection in a female. A recurrent urinary tract infection, on the other hand, could be because of the age. Such recurrent urinary tract infections are more commonly seen in the age of 45 to 50 when menstrual or hormonal changes are taking place in the body, and also after that when in the old age when again hormonal changes continue. What are the symptoms of urinary tract infection? The most common symptom is burning sensation. So the person experiences burning sensation when she passes urine, and also there could be pain in the lower part of the abdomen when she passes urine or even after passing urine. There could be increased frequency of urine where the person has to visit the toilet very frequently both in daytime and night time. There could be urgency in urination where the person has to rush to the toilet the moment she feels like passing urine. Sometimes it could be accompanied by leakage of urine also. Some urinary tract infections, when they affect the kidney, can give rise to fever, chills and shivering also. There could be backache and there could be body ache and sometimes there could be headache. Therefore, the symptoms of urinary tract infections could be encompassing a wide range. How to diagnose urinary tract infection? When you go to the doctor takes a thorough history and if necessary does a physical examination. But the most important way to diagnose urinary tract infection is to do a urine examination. Urine examination could be done either by culture or by routine and microscopy. Routine and microscopy examination takes about 15 to 20 minutes. The results show that there could be pus cells in the urine and there could be bacteria in the urine. The moment the doctor sees this, he will prescribe antibiotics to the patient. Therefore, a doctor starts antibiotics without waiting for the culture sensitivity. Sometimes an ultrasound of the abdomen is also needed, which gives more clues about the causes of urinary tract infection. Apart from this, no other investigations are needed for urinary tract infections. In the subsequent video, I will be talking of the treatment for urinary tract infection. So thank you for watching this, and I'll be back with you with another video.